Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Internet Computer or ICP. Just wanted to do an update on that. I mean, I saw it was bullish and ICP. In general, when you see bullish momentum for ICP, it's definitely a crypto you need to watch, right? So I wanted to do a quick update on that. I would say that there's definitely potential for ICP here, but it's purely technically, it's a bit shaky, right? And I'll tell you why. I mean, a lot has to do with Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin right now is just not looking amazing. It's also not looking that bad. But we're waiting for confirmation, all right? So that's what I mean with shaky, or at least Bitcoin is shaky in the sense that we need to get some more confirmation. And then with that confirmation, we can also expect some more strength for altcoins or not, all right? So that's one of the main problems, because ICP on its own, if you look at it, and I quickly also want to scan over the fundamentals here. So fundamentally, if you look up ICP, of course, what you'll see then, no, total value locked is a bit, total value locked is a bit down actually. So fundamentally, it's not that strong. It doesn't matter that much, all right? You don't need strong fundamentals for a push, especially not for ICP. And if you look at the amount of momentum that we gained with ICP, that's quite good, all right? So here you can see over the over the 4 hours, you can see that we're not as high in terms of momentum as I would like us to be, all right? Because ultimately, what you want is that ICP breaks above its main resistance level right here between $14 and $15.5. All right, that's what we want to see, or some sort of a quick retest while we still maintain momentum. And what you can see right now is that the momentum has gone up a lot. All right, so we have gained a lot of momentum. However, we're still in terms of the momentum compared to prices that we hit earlier. The momentum is still at the same levels as we were the last time in February when we hit this level and did not break above that. So the momentum needs to increase even more. And then apart from that, like I said, it's not great that Bitcoin is a bit shaky, because if Bitcoin gets a real bearish breakout here, I don't think ICP, even though the correlation is probably not that high, but I don't think that ICP would be able to on its own push up then. And the correlation is quite high. It's about 81%, all right? So that means that ICP moves very, very similarly still to Bitcoin. Now, if the open interest really keeps increasing and it starts to get above $100 million or above $110 million, then a lot is possible, because we all know that ICP can have these huge spikes in open interest. So like I said, if that really continues and if that goes on, we will break above 14 and 14.5 and we'll rally up higher. 16, 17.5, all possible. But if that doesn't happen, so you just need to keep an eye on the open interest, because I cannot predict that. This is whale behavior, and I cannot predict what their plans are. But ultimately, I think the best way to look at this is that ICP got a minor bullish breakout right here, above 12.5. Personally, I would just view ICP as this, that we are consolidating between 14.5 and 12.5. And due to the market circumstances, which are, well, bullish and bearish, but they're just inducing a lot of volatility, I would wait for one of these two levels to break. Or alternatively, if we drop down to 12.5 and we still hold a lot of momentum, that could be a good entry. But ultimately, I would just wait for, if we break above 14.5, it's most likely we'll rally up higher. If we break down below 12.5, it's probably because Bitcoin has turned very bearish, and then you should expect us to drop down lower. So that's what I think you need to know. I think it's a bit more likely that we will be bullish right here. But like I said, I would much rather wait for some sort of more confirmation. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.